You're watching Fishmonger Jim. Yeah. Well, howdy y'all, it's me again. Hopefully by the end of today, I get a new roof without, the sunroof feature that I didn't really plan on. New roof, and these two 2x4s are for a cradle. For a cradle for my new 2023 Hobie kayak, which I'm gonna make today. And yeah, Dylan's supposed to come. I'd say hopefully, because Dylan's supposed to come over and help me with the new roof, and he's somewhat less than reliable. He's gonna come over, whether it's pouring rain out or not is the issue. But yeah, should be an interesting. It should be a productive day. There is only gonna be one or three different things that I video about this the roof build, or the kayak rack saddle build, and because I want to kind of roll through it and get it done right quick instead of videoing. I'm just gonna build it. How to transfer the hull shape to the piece of wood. And the rain shut us down, so no top. I'm like three-quarters of the way done the roof rack, and yeah, I quit. Okay, so it is now the following morning, bright and early. I got it all squared away now. So I need to trial fit the kayak, just in case I need to alter this. It's unfortunate. I had this absolutely perfect, the contour, and the jigsaw blade went cattywampus on me. You can kind of maybe see that it's not. Yeah, this is contoured towards the back this way, and this is contoured towards the front that way. No big deal. It gets a layer of this stuff on it, which I have had. I've had this stuff for quite a long time, knowing full well that my old kayak was going to fail and I would have to redo this. No, I think I can get it. How muddy it is on this side. Ooh.
It's what?
It's muddy.
What, the kayak?
Yeah.
Man, that
idea. Oh.
You're gonna get sick of seeing me.
That's it right there.
Huh?
That's it right there. It's lined up on the front, like it's very, very tight. Oh yeah, you can't even see light through it, Mom.
Wow. You have to put the felt on still.
Yeah, I just found it. It's on the back of the Jeep. So I'm gonna glue that down, then go get the stain. I mean, the back is pretty darn perfect too. Holy.
You want me to just close this off?
Sure.
Close it.
Yeah, not, well, actually no. Because I gotta get, I'm gonna put the felt on it and then put the kayak back on it to hold the felt down while I'm gone.
Okay, doing stuff. I would find it very inhibiting.
Oh, you Can you lift the back up, please? It's gotta go right there. It's gotta go towards you about 4 inches. Ready? Right there.
That feels good.
Yeah, that's it. You know, the messed up thing about this is that every day I don't wake up and state, today I'm going to do awesome things. I'm going to have fantastic conversations with tremendous people, and I'm just generally going to be an awesome individual. It just happens every single day. Blows my mind every single day, too. That's about it. You want to see me using this thing, the new kayak, be sure to tune in again. Tomorrow, as a matter of fact. Well, the next movie on my channel. Thanks for watching.